I've never set one up before. No, this isn't mine, but I'm gonna set one up for Frontenac Outfitters and show you what's involved with putting this together. The BlackPak Pro. By the way, my name's Ben, I'm a paddlehead. So I've got no tools here. Do I need any tools? Let's see. No drilling, so that's good. Don't need a drill. Easy assembly. Doesn't say no tools. So as we open it up here, this is what we're faced with. Get a nice Yak Attack decal. Be excellent on the boat, of course. Look at that hardware kit. Okay, some assembly required. 4 rod holders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at the destructions here. I need a Phillips. That's fine, I got a pocket knife. Attach the first side panel to the bottom pin. This is great. They give you a little warning here saying, please read. Do not use power tools. Although we know you probably will. So they tell you how to use power tools. Clever, very clever. All right, so we gotta find a bottom and a side. These will fit a Plano 3700 box. So that's great for those musky baits. This is clearly the bottom. Looks like a platform. It's got little grooves here on the sides. It says just to kind of push them into one another, but don't screw anything in yet. Seated, cool. Now that everything's out of the box, okay, oh, instructions. Okay, so it says you gotta put on a side panel, but not just any side panel. This is when you're looking down from the top, you install the next one on the side counterclockwise. So we're going this way, so, oh no, counterclockwise is this way. Oh, and also keep the Yak Attack upright. That makes sense, right? Yeah, that'll kind of help. So as you can see here, I started with this side panel, but then going counterclockwise, I'd have to do this one, and then that one, and then this one, because they're all kind of cut and grooved individually and differently. See, that kind of fits in there, and this is going to fit into those slots down there, and all that should be snug. And then we're going to put the screws in the side, but apparently only in the side, not in the bottom. There's mosquitoes out. Hardware pack A. So we were looking for number A, kit A, here it is, A. Handy dandy Victorinox pocket knife. This would be much faster with power tools. So I'm not going to tighten it right down, we'll just get it snug-ish. Step 3, repeat step 2 for the third side panel. Wow, it's a lot of work using a pocket knife. I think I'm going to go grab a drill. Installing remaining panel screws. So now I got to put the screws along all of the bottom. Got 4 screws there, 4 here. Oh, only 3 here. Anyways, enough messing around. Gotta be super careful not to strip this plastic. Come here. Not today, paper. And there's 1 spare screw. Hopefully that's intentional. And then install the rubber feet. Kit B. Rubber feet so you can sneak up on them fishes. So they go on just like so, and then a washer and a screw. And then there's lid bumpers. Tiny little pieces, and they go under the lid. Why, of course. So you'll see these little rubber bumpers, they're like kind of angled, and you want the flat part to be facing you. You want that angle to be against the lid. Pre-assemble the hinges. There's like a few pieces that look like hinges here. And I assume they're probably gonna be like corner pieces, maybe to reinforce the box or more mounting options. I don't know yet. But here's the 2 hinges I think in question. Side of the box, lid, I think. This is the wrong way to install the hinge. This piece needs to be flipped around. Just like this. And the easiest way to tell if you've got it the right way is you'll see one side is completely flush, and that's the side that's gonna go against the crate and the lid. The other side actually has like this little raised up part. You want that on the top or on the outside. And now Andrew's gonna steal the drill from me, so I have to wait to finish this video. Pause.
You've got a driver. Let's go ahead and use that.
Oh, like a, okay. All right, we're back in business. Yes, very nice. Lid catches. And these are, okay, these are the hinge catches. And then I imagine there's probably gonna be bungees that kind of keep it in place. Attach the lid. I already did that. Oops, skipped a step. Moving on. Attach the latch. Step 12. Cool. It's like actual like plastic latches on this thing. So when you're installing the catch, the latch, when you attach the latch, you gotta have it the right way. Kind of like just hold it up there to begin with, and then just kind of see which direction, because if you put this on backwards, you're not attaching the latch. So do it right. Just do it right. Cool. That's a latch I can kind of feel confident in. Neato. I like it. I like it. So after we attach the latch, what do? The Omni corner brackets. Wow, sounds super technical. What's the point of the Omni corner brackets though? Omni corner. So there's like a little lip on these. You'll see when they're sitting right side up, that lip should be on the top. This is working out wonderfully. You know what, Omni corner brackets, you're all right in my book. By the way, if you found any of this helpful at all or entertaining in some way, hit that like button. It actually really helps us out. And it's kind of like our validation, you know? If we don't see that like button getting smashed, we like cry ourselves to sleep sometimes. I'm so pumped. It's pike opening day tomorrow for Zone 18, and I've got a campsite. So I'm going pike fishing today. Or tomorrow. All day long. All day long. All day. All day. What's all that? Now we're gonna throw the rod holders on here. But I almost don't want to because this isn't gonna be mine. And somebody may want to put them somewhere else. Skip that for now. Now, this is a great idea. Super simple idea, but handles, they make a huge difference. Oh, now I got that song stuck in my head. All night long, all night, all night. All night long, yeah. Pretty sure that was by Slayer. I think that's a Slayer track. Oh, I see. Super cool. What are these Omni hooks? Well, they send you these latches, and then most fishing kayaks have bungees in the back, and you would attach this to your bungees. There's like little holes here, and then these would actually come up and latch onto here, making it super easy to actually secure this to the back of your boat. Okay, I'm gonna install one of the rod holders here because I wanna show you. Take one of these bungees, one of these hooks, and how many of these screws? 4, I guess. So I'm gonna start by putting the bungee through here, and we'll just tie like a simple overhand knot. It says to tie a knot as close to the end as possible before you do any of these next steps, but I don't like that idea because I know what's coming. So we're gonna feed the bungee through this hole underneath that little seat. And then you'll see there's this guide. Then we're gonna bring this down, and this is why I didn't tie the knot, because I knew that this had to go through the retainer at the bottom. So put that through there, and then it's gonna come up here, and this is where the knot is gonna sit. There's like this little groove with a little seat, and that's where the knot will sit, in the seat. Tie a little overhand knot, so then that comes up here, goes through that little groove. There we go, look at that, that's cool. Considering this for myself because it can carry my muskie gear for me. Nice big opening, that'll fit 3700 series planos. Also the lid doesn't extend past there, so reaching behind yourself, try to access this, you open it up, lid's not gonna flop over beyond the point where you can lift it up again. But that also means you can put more attachments on the back here too, maybe have the rod holders coming off the back end. That's a possibility. But I like these latches. I think that's great. I was expecting it just to be some lame little bungee that you'd have to replace in 5-10 years. So there you have it. That's how you set up the BlackPak Pro from YakAttack. If you like that video, hit that like button, subscribe to see more. We'll catch you later. Dude, you done with that drill yet?
You want it?
No, I'm just kidding. I already got it all done. That's how easy it is to set up the BlackPak Pro.